Have you ever heard a politician give a speech that made you feel super angry or scared, but when you thought about it later, you realized they didn't actually say much of substance? Well, there's a perfect word for that kind of leader: a demagogue. So, what is a demagogue? It's a leader who gains power by stirring up people's emotions, fears, and prejudices instead of using logic, reason, or solid policies. They're experts at manipulating crowds with fiery speeches, making you feel a certain way without needing to back it up with facts. It's all about passion, not proof. The word itself has a fascinating history. It comes from the ancient Greek words dēmos, which means the people, and agōgos, which means leading. So, originally, a demagogue was simply a leader of the people. But over time, the word took on a much darker meaning, shifting to describe someone who misleads the people for their own gain. You might also hear related words like demagoguery, which is the practice of doing this, or demagogic, used to describe their tactics. Let's put it in a sentence. You could say, the candidate was dismissed as a demagogue who relied on fear rather than facts. And this means he was using emotional manipulation instead of presenting real policies. Or, history shows how easily a demagogue can sway crowds during uncertain times. This is so true. These types of leaders often become most powerful when people feel vulnerable and are looking for someone to blame. Synonyms for demagogue include words like rabble-rouser, agitator, or firebrand. The opposite would be a statesman or a rational leader. Need a trick to remember it? Think of demagogue. A demagogue's speech is so full of manipulation that it makes the demo, or the people, want to gag. Or you can think a demo goes for emotions, not logic. Knowing this word is a game changer. It's a powerhouse term that instantly elevates your conversations about politics, history, and current events. Calling someone a demagogue isn't just a simple insult, it's a precise critique of a leader who weaponizes emotions instead of engaging with ideas. It's the perfect word for essays, debates, and sharp analysis. If you love learning bold, story-packed English words like this one, with visuals and smart memory tricks to make them stick, then you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe to Visual Vocabulary for your weekly dose of linguistic firepower. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.